All right, so we got these scaffolds, and the platforms here, you can see, are delaminated. We've had these things probably, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 years, and they work great for us, but they're no longer safe. So we're going to replace this with some 3/4 inch treated plywood, and this is like August of 2021. Thing was like $81 for a sheet. Ridiculous. At any rate, we're going to show you how we're going to go about fixing this. So one of the first things we're going to need to do is take out all these rivets. This thing is riveted in to this metal frame. So you can see there's this metal frame, and this is riveted in. That end of the frame got bent somehow, but we need to pound that back in and drill out all these rivets, and then we can replace this wood. Alright, so we got the rivets drilled out and pushed out, so all we got is holes. We got the wood out, and so we're going to put the new wood in. And then I don't think I have rivets long enough to go through a 3/4 inch piece of plywood plus this metal, so we'll just come up through the bottom with some screws. Alright, so I cut this just the right size, so I had to take the hammer and pound it in just a little bit, and then plus it's got a little bit of warp to it, but once we put the screws in the bottom, that will all come out. Alright, follow through that one.